Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Name is Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern. This pattern is a very easy pattern. We used nested for loop to make this pattern. Nested for loop is a loop in which for loop inside for loop, that is called nested for loop. And we used two loops, and first is outer loop and second is inner loop. So outer for loop is used for rows and inner for loop is used for columns. So when we make a outer for loop for rows, we initialize a variable I to 5, and we check the condition I greater than equal to 1, and we decrement the value of I to minus 1, which means I equal to 5, I greater than equal to 1, and I minus 1, because this loop will run from 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, because in each row minus 1 value is a decrement. And in inner loop we initialize a variable j to I and check the condition if j less than equal to 5, and we increment the value of j to plus 1, and we print a variable j using printf function in this inner for loop. And after completing the inner for loop, we used the printf function, and inside the printf function we used the backslash n for new line to the cursor. When completing each row, when we move the cursor to the next line using backslash n. So I hope you understand the logic behind this pattern, and if you compile this pattern, then there is no error in this code, and it will successfully compiled. And after compile we will run this program, and the output will be shown as same as that in the comment line. So if you have any concern related to this pattern, you can ask me anytime, and I hope you all guys really enjoy this Python programming playlist from scratch. It is totally for beginners, and it is totally for college students who are ready to willing. So like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thanks for watching. And if you have any concern related to this pattern programming, then you can text me in the comment section. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.
I know one